understand everything.
This man they cry. I know you understand what I do. Because like this, I see this thing and so surprised. It didn't mean that we don't have a widow do. Even me too, as I'm there now, I'm a widow. But nobody pushing me from
Soludo biakwa ka ịnụrụ ife na-eme na Anambra steeti o kedu na Honorable Ify Obinabo biakwa ka unu nụrụ ife na-eme na ife anụnwa bụkwa na Anambra steeti ka ọ na-eme n'ọkwa nwaanyị ajadu ka ebusisiri ya ifie n'ilo amakwọ na onye jela hụ n'ilo ka onye na be nna ya o wee bụ na nwaanyị a na-akọwa na di ya nwụrụ anwụ na mgbe di ya na-aya ahụ na fele ha na obi di ya onye ka di ya nwụziere ụmụnne di ya wee chọzie ka ele ha n'obi o wee gwafa na fa ya ele n'ọkwa ya ka fa ji wee hala anwụ so ya wee halụ mmiri so ya wee kpụrụ ya na-agagharị n'ụlọ ikpe dị iche iche wee na-agwa ya na ebe ọ bụ na Naịjirịa ka anọ na-enwekwa ife dịka justice na ijide ego na ife ọbụla ị chọrọ ime n'ihi emebịakwanụ ka unu were ntị unu wee gere amakwanụ na ndị mmadụ ka na-alụ ụdị alụlụ ana na ọchịchị Soludo nke anụnwa biko taa gị alụ na Soludo unu ewekwa n'iwe na nya bụ ife onyonyo na ọ dịchaghị kiri ya maka na mmiri na-ezo ndị onye sere anya bụ ife onyonyo o fichaghị ihu fon ya mana ụnụ ya anụ ife nwaanyị kọrọ amakwanụ m ụdị akụkọ dị ife nke a biko na ndị ọnwụ Umeleze ka na-agagharị na-achọ onye ya nwụ ka farie ya ekpe o Chineke biko wepụla anyị ndị ọnwụ Umeleze n'ụzọ bịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ ka nwaanyị si wee kọọ na fa gwara ya na o mekatakwuo okwu na ife merụ di ya ya emie daa ma isi na ọfa gburu nwoke mmadụ ka fa wee rie ya ekpe laa na obi ya alụ na-emezikwanụ
Soludo biko do. Agbara m akwụkwọ na Kọtụwan, ana m ejekwa Kọtụwan. Ha kpụpụrụ m na first effort Enugu. Kpụpụrụ m na zone 13 mkpegbu ebe ha gaa na azụje gba m akwụkwọ na Kọtụtụ magistrate court neni. Kọtụtụ ya sọmọhọbọ onwe onye nyere m akwụkwọ. Chineke onwe onye nyere m akwụkwọ bụrụ na m azaghị oku. Ihe wụzikwara m property m. Biko do Soludo biko do.
Madam, I beg you go fit tell us wetin make your husband people carry your property come keep outside for lane like this. Tell us what happened.
What happened is my husband fell sick. No one helped me. It's only my senior brother Christian Ezeonwumelu. We suffered. We spent a lot of money. Immediately after the death of my husband, 10 days after, they came to sell the land. I got the information. I rushed them to the land. So immediately we rushed them to the land. We blocked the land. We said that the land is not for sale. They said, who asked me to say? Isaiah now came back and said, who asked me to stop not to sell the land? I said, Isaiah, why will you sell the land? Almost 12.8 million naira, which we spent. I treat this man. We did not sell the land. Is it now? Why you want to sell the land? He said, Ebuka has right to sell the land. I said, Ebuka, who did not even contribute, even sorry, for the sickness of her father, is the one to sell the land. I said, nobody will sell the land. Isaiah and his children say, why will I say Isaiah Ezeonwumelu? I said, nobody will sell the land. Isaiah Ezeonwumelu from Enugu Adazi Enu Enu Anaocha local government. Isaiah now said, if I say they will not sell the land in my front, what happened to my husband will happen to me. I said, let's sit with them. That nobody will sell the land. He said, if I don't come out for the house alive, I will come out in debt. They will carry my corpse. I said, they don't born you well. They will not go anywhere, and nobody will sell the land. If Ebuka want to build the house, he should come and build the house. But to sell the land, they will not sell the land. They say, let's see what will happen.
So what thing can make them carry your clothes and you everything see your stove, everything down so your phone.
I went to Nobi to buy something. I took my son to school. From there, I went to Nobi. Inside Nobi, I received call that they have removed all the sink of my house. Rushing to the house, I saw my load outside.
All your house, they don't put everywhere.
All the zinc.
The zinc, don't
the zinc, and all they break some part of it. So I now came back and asked why. They say it's from court judgment. I said, which court? Court judgment, and the court did not issue me any summons. Okay, we now ask the belief that is there when the belief said, court. I said, okay, belief. Did you see me here when you came? He said, no. He came 2 times. He did not see me. I said, okay, you came 2 times. He did not see me. Why did you guys lie to court that he gave me summons? He didn't give me some. I'll be coming to court 1. This is court 1 and this is court 2. So you want to tell me that since I'll be coming to court, he didn't see me there to give me the summon. The belief say no concern him. The judgment has taken place. Judgment has taken place. That's why they bring all my load outside.
Imagine.
That's why.
Everything.
They judge me without hearing me. Court 2, magistrate court, then he judge me without hearing me. Nobody summon me. So let the land bear me witness. Nobody summon me. I did not receive any paper from court 2. Let the land judge me. If I receive any paper and deny, let the land judge me. We are filing money. We are filing money.
This is a matter of this is a matter of who get money.
Come higher now. Now you want to
higher. Madam, you go figure your number. You go figure your number because if anybody want help you.
My number is 080 640 752. Please pardon me. 080 640 752. Beacon, Soludo, Beacon. Every matter clear beg. Soludo Beacon.
Here na no be adina.
Yes, Adazi. Enugu Adazi. Enugu Adazi. Umo para. Akiri chego kwenu ulabo.
Enugu Adazi.
Enugu Adazi. We get Okito. Igwe won them. The man tried. They tell me. They said it to my president that even the Attorney General of the Federation cannot stop them. Even the IG with their money, they can do what they want to do. The Nigeria government is hungry people. So I thought it was lie. They say what they not get is what they don't want.
Wow.
So I thought it was lie. Till this happened, government Biko,
Madam, do you have anything to say towards this? What do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to say? You know this woman they cry. I know if you understand everything.
This man they cry. I know you understand what they do. Because like this, I see this thing and so surprised. It mean that there's a widow do. I'm there now, I'm a widow. But nobody
I wonder where this woman and Pekin go sleep. Another one still there for load. They come back from school. I don't know where they go sleep for tonight. Now wow, this one pass me. Me where they look the thing pass me. Please, if they want this, anyhow you can help this woman. Please help. Enugu Adazi. It happen for Enugu Adazi now. Enugu Adazi, the woman and the Pekin. They die outside now. Let them beat them in property die outside. Please, madam, stop crying. It's enough. It's enough. It's a prayer. Believe God. God and the land you are calling will help you.
Let the justice prevail. The saving Attorney General will not stop them.
That number, okay, that number again. Madam, if you call him again.
080 640